Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to reset your password for Hulu account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. Go to the URL box and type in www.hulu.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of hulu.com. Go to the top right hand corner and click the login button in order to end up in the sign in area. To log into your account, you'll need to enter your email address followed by your password. But in case you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, then you'll need to reset your password for your hulu.com account. So to do that, all you need to do is to click on this forgot your email or password link. And on the next page, enter the email address that is associated for your Hulu account. Soon after you enter your email, click on send me a reset link. Now, an inbox with a reset link will be sent to your email address. Simply open up your email inbox by opening up a new tab. Simply check your email inbox and you'll receive an email from Hulu. Click it open and click on the reset password button in order to reset your password or change your password. Now create a new password for your hulu.com account by typing it into the text box where it says new password. On the next field where it says confirm new password, retype in the password again. Soon after you do that, make sure both of your passwords in the text boxes matches. Once it does, click the submit button. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to and click the login button to get access to your account back again. That is how you can easily reset your hulu.com account's password if you've forgotten it during logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.